Do you enjoy watching videos on YouTube? If you do, have you ever thought about making your own YouTube videos? While making a YouTube video may seem like a complicated process, it actually isn't one. YouTube makes it so easy for you to upload your videos that the hardest part isn't actually uploading them, but making them. When it comes to making a YouTube video, one of the biggest problems a person has, especially a first-time YouTube video maker, is deciding what type of video they should make. Of course, you have the option to make whichever type of video you want, within YouTube's guidelines of course, but there are a few video pieces that you may want to closely examine, as they are great for beginners. One of the most popular video types currently found on YouTube are video blogs. Video blogs seem as if they are taking over traditional, printed blogs. Instead of venting about their day in print, many bloggers are now getting in front of the camera. Video blogs are easy to make, as you pretty much just summarize what is going on in your life. Of course, you need to keep safety in mind when making a YouTube video blog. If you want to outline your day, week, or month for other internet users to see, you will want to do so without giving up too much information about yourself, like your full name, address, or phone numbers. Another one of the most popular video types currently found on YouTube are comedy videos. Comedy videos tend to include stand-up comedy, skits, as well as comedy sketches. If you have aspirations to be a comedian, or even if you and your friends just like being funny, you may have the makings of a great YouTube video. Of course, if you are making a comedy video that involves other people, like your friends, you need to make sure that they know that you are planning on uploading the video to YouTube, for the entire world to see. If you would like to create a more serious YouTube video, one that may be used for informational purposes only, you may want to think about creating a how-to video or a do-it-yourself DIY video. These types of videos are great for first-time YouTube video submitters. If you are interested in creating a how-to video, you will want to make a video on something that you enjoy or one of your hobbies. For instance, if you like making your own candles, you may want to think about making a YouTube video or multiple video segments on how to do so. If you enjoy playing video games, you may also want to make a YouTube video about them. As it was previously mentioned, there are a large number of first-time YouTube video submitters who prefer making videos about something that they know or love. If you have an old video game or even just a traditional, vintage board game, you may want to make a YouTube video on it. Your video could include information on the history of the game or even tips on how to play it, and so on. As you can, there are an unlimited number of video pieces that you can create for yourself, and a large number of them are perfect for your first YouTube video. If you are looking for more information on popular YouTube videos, you are urged to examine the YouTube site. You can easily examine a video's popularity by looking at its ratings, or by seeing how much it is being discussed. Examining currently posted YouTube videos is a great way to give you ideas. It is also likely to up your chances of making a YouTube video that will be popular, one that will be watched, or one that will be talked about. The decision as to what YouTube video you want to post as your first one is yours to make, but you may want to think about starting out small. After you have tested the waters, you can move on to bigger and better YouTube videos, should you wish to do so.